Letter number 74. Document as a protocol between the tribes of Rabia and the people of Yemen. Taken from the writing of Hisham ibn Muhammad, Kalbi. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. This indenture contains what the people of Yemen, including the townsmen and nomads, and the tribes of Rabia, including the townsmen and nomads, have agreed upon, that they will adhere to the Book of Allah, will call to it and order according to it, and will respond to whoever calls to it and orders according to it. They will not sell it for any price, nor accept any alternative for it. They will join hands against anyone who opposes it and abandons it. They will help one another. Their voice will be one. They will not break their pledge on account of the rebuke of a rebuker, the wrath of an angry person, the humiliating treatment of one group to the other, or the use of abusive terms by one party against the other. This pledge is binding on those of them who are present and those of them who are absent, those of them who are forbearing and those of them who are foolish, those of them who are learned and those of them who are ignorant. Along with this, the pledge of Allah is also binding on them, and the pledge of Allah is to be accounted for. Written by Ali ibn Abi Talib.